Well, my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. As you can see, I'm at my coffee bar and I'm about to decorate this area for the summer, guys. So you don't want to miss out on that. If you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, go right ahead and hit the subscribe button. And when you do so, please remember to put your post notification bell on so that you won't miss out on the next video. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I will be using these placemat to hide some of the scratches that are on the table. These placemat I purchased a couple years back at the Dollar Tree, and at the time they had the plates, the cups, and I had went and purchased the plates, the cups, and the placemats, and I've used this so many times because I feel like when it comes on to summer, lemon is a great theme to go with for your kitchen, guys. So I'm using these beautiful canisters purchased from TJ Maxx. I have this big one here with a variety of teas inside, and I'm gonna just place it right there at the side. As you can see, it's not a big area, so I'm placing things, fixing them in a way where I would still have a little bit of space on the coffee bar. So that small one was purchased from TJ Maxx as well, and I think I've purchased 3 of them, but I'm only using the big one and this size for today. So this flower arrangement, or floral arrangement, sunflower floral arrangement, I have made. It's a DIY, and I'm also going to put that video out, guys, just to show you how I made it. And that sugar container was purchased from Marshall's for $5.99. It's actually not a sugar container, it's a honey jar, but I put sugar in it. That cup is a Burlington find. The marble tray, guys, I've purchased from Home Goods. And so is a marble 2-tier stand I purchased from Home Goods. That other cup is also from Burlington. Those sunflower mugs right here, I purchased from Marshall's. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just in love with these cups. They are so pretty. And I'm just placing them to the side. Since I have only 2, I'm using that golden white one in the middle. Now at the very top, I'm gonna put my lemon cups that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, like I said, a couple years back. Very pretty, absolutely gorgeous, guys, absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love with lemon. I just love yellow. When it comes on to summer, I just love to decorate with yellow. I feel like yellow is so bright, vibrant, and beautiful. It would just bring up any space, guys. Absolutely love yellow, and I love the lemon, guys, for summer. Absolutely gorgeous. And these gold spoons I purchased from Amazon. They came in a pack with the knife and fork, and I'm just placing the spoons inside the cup, you guys. I normally would place it on my spoon rest, but I want to do something different, so I'm placing it in the cup. I'm just having fun with this coffee bar right now. Please comment below and let me know what you think of the coffee bar so far. If you're still here with me, thank you guys so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me. I'm trying to get to 4,000 watch hours, so if you could watch until the end, I would appreciate it so much. that ice cream cone I purchased from Burlington. That jar, the one that I had before with the teas inside and the silver top, guys, it's a DIY. That jar I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and the cover that's on the top was from a previous jar that broke. I kept that part and used it as a cover. So that's a DIY. And those sunflower oil and vinegar bottles came in a pack for $5.99 from Marshall's. And of course, you know, these dish towels or tea towels, they're all over the Dollar Tree. Of course, you know, they're from the B collection, and I purchased that to use right here. I know I'm going with the lemon, but it doesn't matter. As long as I have my yellow, I'm good. I'm just cleaning my coffee maker off a little bit. I cleaned it already, but you know, when you miss something, you gotta just clean it. So that's what I'm doing here. But so far, it's looking absolutely beautiful in my opinion. But I do want to hear from you, so be sure to leave your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up, guys. And don't be afraid to share my videos with your family and friends, because I don't mind. And watch my video until the end to see the end result of this coffee bar. I'm gonna put some music on for your listening pleasures. So until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. Bye bye.